When it comes to state syllabus or central syllabus, arithmetic, reasoning will become a key role in the preliminary stage. So we will tackle this with a very clear mind and with a very clear concept. So when we go to the concepts, our classes will be in this format. First of all, we will be discussing the syllabus, and then we will be having different topics and various models under it and their explanation, the model question paper of the previous year questions. We will practice it. PDF of class at the end of the session you will be getting, and the entire session will be in the English language, and there will be clear explanation to you all. Fractions, LCM, HCF, elementary algebra, surds and indices, averages, percentage, ratio, mixture, proportion and partnership, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, time and speed and distance, time and work, permutation, combination, probability, sequence, series, statistics, plane geometry, mensuration, data interpretation, data sufficiency, quantitative comparison. So among all of these, if you see number system and LCM, HCF and averages and ratio, proportion and time and speed and time and work and permutation, combination, these chapters are very repetitive, and once we get through these lessons we can be ahead and we can be in the safe zone. So today I am going to teach about the ratio and proportions from very basics. Actually, what is this ratio and what is this proportion? Many people, even they study, even they practice, but they don't know the concept. Actually, ratio means ratio, it is a rule. It is a rule. Example, if you want to make a glass of lemon juice, you need 1 lemon, and with that lemon you need 2 spoons of sugar. So here lemon is one quantity, sugar is one quantity. Lemon is one item, sugar is one item. This is one quantity, they are in 2 quantities. These 1 lemon and these 2 spoons of sugar will make 1 glass of lemon juice. What does it mean? It means that for every one glass of lemon juice, you need 1 lemon, 2 spoons of sugar. This is called, now for every one glass of lemon juice, there is 1 lemon and 2 spoons of sugar. Here we can understand 1 lemon and 2 spoons of sugar is equal to 1 glass of lemon juice. So here, see the next thing. Now you are having a issue that 1 glass of lemon juice is not sufficient. Then what you will do? You will make another. You will make one more. You will make one more. So 1 glass. Second glass. So total 2 glasses. But one thing, 1 lemon, 2 spoons. And for second glass, 1 lemon, again 2 spoons. If 1 glass, 2 glass, you will do like this. What you will do if it is 100 glasses? It will be very pathetic. So you cannot go with the simple things. So you need some calculation, you need some multiplication, you need some rules. So you made a rule that for this you will not consider as a glass. This is 1 unit. In this 1 unit, we are having, these are 2 units and this is 1 unit. That means if you want 100 glasses, you have to keep 2 into 100, 2 into 100, 200 spoons. 1 into 100, 100 lemons. So like that you will be getting 100 glasses of lemon juice. This rule is called a ratio. They are in a ratio. So here the ratio is 1:2. They are in 1:2 ratio. So this 1 lemon, these 2 spoons is 1:2 ratio. We are considering as a numbers. Here 4 is a number, 5 is a number. They are in ratio. I multiply 4 with 2. I multiply 5 with 2. What you will get? You will be getting 8 and 10. And these are also in ratio. And if you multiply 4:5 into 3 into 3, it will be in also a ratio. And if you do 4:6, and if you divide it by half, multiply with half, and you will be getting 2:3. So what we are getting is here these terms and these terms are in equal ratio. So by multiplying or by dividing, the ratio will not be changed, but the numbers may change, the numbers will change, but the number which you are using, it should not be a 0. Okay, so these 4 or these 5, these terms are called this is called first term, this is called second term, this first term and this second term will be called as, this is called antecedent, this is called as consequent. A is to B and C is to D. These are 2 ratios. Here 1 ratio, here 1 ratio. Again, these both are having another ratio. This is called a proportion. So here we got the concept called ratio and proportion. Here, if you see, product of means on product of extremes. What we say is B and C, A and D. This is called means. This is called extremes. If this means B into C is equals to A into D, this is the proportional rule. See, I wrote here cleanly. These are means, extremes. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. Product of means is B into C, that is equals to A into D. If D comes this side and BC go that side, here D is equals to BC by A. This is the fourth proportion. Just hold on, you will be getting clarified. And if we get another chance, and if we get another problems having that, there is not only having a proportion, but both these numbers are same, then what will happen? As we know this rule, as we studied this rule, what will happen now? Again, multiply. These will be multiplying with this. These will be multiplying with this. And these both are equal. So B into B is equals to B square. A into C is equals to A into C. So B equals to square here. It will go to here and it will become root. And you will be having A into C. Therefore, B is equals to root of AC. This is called mean proportion or second proportion. And if you see, B square is equals to AC. C is equals to B square by A. How it came? Just we sent A to this side. Here it is multiplying. Here it is multiplying, here it is dividing. So that we got C is equals to B square by A. This is third proportion. Let us solve this question. The ratio of boys and girls in a school is 9:5. If total number of students in a school is 1050, then find the number of boys. What he has given 9:5. What is this? This is the ratio of boys and girls. This is just a ratio, not numbers. Ratio. That means this is the rule. What is the rule? If there are boys and there are girls, the relation is there can be 900 boys and 500 girls. There can be 9,000 boys, 5,000 girls. So the relation always will be like this, 9:5. So we don't know. So what we will do, we can do like this. 9 into something, that will be boys. 5 into something, that will be girls. So what I will do, I will assume it is x. Whatever the basic count is there, whatever the basic number, that can be same, and they will be multiplied this many times. So girls, how much we don't know, but total count how much? Total count 1050. That means we can come to a conclusion that 9x plus 5x is equals to 1050. Do you agree with this? If you agree, then I will come to a conclusion that 14x can be 1050 and x is equals to 1050 by 75. By 14, the answer will be 75. So what is this 75x? What the question asked? The question asked the number of boys. So number of boys. For number of boys, what we have to do? We have to substitute. We have to take boy here, and we have to keep x value here. That means 9x. 9x is equals to boys value. Boys count. X is equals to 75. What is 9 into 75? Let's do it. 9 5s are 45, 5 4, 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 7, 60, 3 plus 4, 67, 675. So 675 boys are there. Do this question. If you can solve, just pause the video. Two numbers and the ratio 5:6. He doesn't give the numbers, just he gave the ratio 5:6. What are the numbers? This is just ratio, not numbers. Numbers 5:6, 6 is 5x and 6x. Okay, what he has done, subtracted 5, that is equals to 5x minus 5, 6x minus 5. So he have done this. He has done this. So 5x minus 5, 6x minus 5 it will come in our assumption and in our calculation. But what the ratio it is in? 4:5. Each number, the ratio become 4:5. The numbers are. He is asking the numbers. He don't want these equations. He want here what is the numbers. So what is the relation he has given? The relation he has given is 5x minus 5 by 6x minus 5 is equals to 4 by 5. We can write like this, or we cannot write. We can write, because this is also one way of expressing that they are in ratio. Or we can write like this also. Both are same. Both are same. We are expressing the rule. We are expressing the rule. Okay? I think you have got some clarity. When we solve this, see, you can solve this here by cross multiply. Okay, just it will go here and it will go here. 4 into 6x minus 5. If we solve this, 25x minus 25 is equals to 4 6 are 24x minus 4 5s are 20. If you interchange the numbers, 25x minus 24x is equals to x minus 20 plus 25. Both will cancel and you will get 5. What is this 5? This 5 is x. What he is asking, the numbers are. Here we want the numbers. What are the numbers? The numbers are the numbers are in 5:6 ratio. That means 5x and 6x. 5x and 6x. What is the 5x and 6x here? 5 into 5, 6 into 5. They are none other than 25 and 30. These are the numbers. Got it? Next, if you see this one, this is also, these all are previous year questions of state public service commissions and UPSC also. The total number of students in a class is 400. The ratio of number of students who like arts and the ones who like science is 3:5. The number of students who like science is more than the one who like arts are by how much? It's just some analytical part. Calculation will be the same, concept will be the same, there will be no any change in it. Total number of students in a class. What he has given? Total number of students is 400. Arts and science, these are two groups. They are in 5:3:5. Okay, the number of students who like science. So here 400, here 3:5. What does it mean? It means that arts and science. This is ratio. This is not the count. You have to find the count. So what we will do? Arts means 3 into something. Science 5 into something. This can be like here x. So 3x, 5x. This is the actual numbers. But 3x cannot be a number. This is imagination. But we can come to a conclusion that these are total numbers. But what is the total number? It is given in the question. Total number of students is 400. That means what? That means 400 is equals to 3x plus 5x. That means 400 is equals to 8x. That means x is equals to 400 by 8. I am doing very simple calculation so that you can understand. And again it will be half 200 to 50 by 1. What is this 50 by 1? This is 50, that is the x value, what we imagined. So what is the actual number of art students and science students? The total value is 3 into 50, 150. And 5 into 50, 250. This is the number of, this is of arts, this is of science. What he is asking, the number of students who like science is more than the one who like arts are by. So there is an increase in number. The number is increased by 100. Am I right? Science is more than who like arts. Arts are liked by 150, science are liked by 250. The difference is 100. So what can be the option? Option B can be the option. This is given in APPS exam. Thank you so much.